Today we're going to go over installation on a Big Country Outdoors aluminum roof for a Polaris Ranger. First thing you want to do is go ahead and set the roof up on top of the buggy. Next step is going to be go along and square up your roof, multiple different points on both sides of the buggy. On the back, we normally do about 1.5 inches overhang. Next step in the process of mounting your roof is going to be drilling the hole through the front brow on your Polaris Ranger. First step, you want to get a 1/4 inch drill bit and locate the rib that is closest to you on the edge of the roof. Then you want to go underneath the brow, find the rib, and go ahead and drill your hole right here. Here's an example of one that's already been drilled. Go all the way through the rib and through the top of the roof. Go ahead. Next step in the process of mounting your roof to your Ranger is going to be drilling the holes for the back mount. First thing you want to do is locate the rib on the underside of the roof closest to the edge. Next thing you want to do is pick a spot that's going to go through the rib and through this brow on the back of your buggy. Go ahead and drill a hole on it. Go to the other side, do the same thing, repeat the process all over again. Next thing you want to do is drop your bolts in the holes that you drilled and place the rubber that is supplied with your hardware under the rib, between the brow and the rib. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and put the nut, lock washer, and flat washer on the bolt. Tighten it up, and you're ready to go.